Hey guys, this is Carrie from Byrider Madison. Just wanted to go over some simple maintenance and service issues they may encounter here in the summer months with the heat that we are experiencing. So just going to go over a few with you here today. Obviously here at Byrider we have a great service department. So obviously if you are experiencing some of these issues, certainly give us a ring, see what we can do to help. So the first thing that I want to talk about is broken belts. Those dry belts in the engine, obviously with the heat, not only from the engine, but the excess heat from how the temperatures are rising, can cause those belts to warp and break. So if it's been a while since you've done those belts, make sure you get those done, especially if you're headed out on those summer trips. Next thing I want to talk about is your tires. So obviously in the summer, different fluctuations in temperatures. So obviously very hot during the day, chilly at night. So keep in mind that your tire pressure can fluctuate based on that. So making sure that you're running the right PSI in your tires is super important, not only for your safety, but for gas mileage as well. Next thing you want to watch for, weak battery. Obviously, in the wintertime with the excess cold, that can affect that. Well, the heat can affect your battery just as much. So just making sure that you're keeping up with the battery. Again, if you haven't replaced your battery in a very long time, it might be a good idea to get it checked out and get it replaced. Other things that you may encounter as well, a big one, again, going with the heating issue, is your vehicle overheating in general. So making sure you're topping off your fluids, especially the coolant in the summertime. Make sure that if you are checking the coolant or replacing the coolant, do it on a cool engine. Do not check your coolant with the engine on or if with it being very hot. Obviously, you don't want to mess with that. Other than that, if you are experiencing any service issues and you are a Byrider customer, make sure you give our service department a call at 608-663-1213. Carrie, signing out.